Today I'm gonna teach you like how to use React Fragment in like React JS, or what is React Fragment. So if you like watch whole the video, you'll definitely understand, I guarantee you for that. So basically, what are React Fragments? So in a layman term, you can say React Fragments are used for like building up components one after the other, like patching of the components synchronously, very light way. So I'll show you the example, then you will better understand. Obviously it's a React JS. So let's just get started. So basically I have done normal npx create react app, nothing much. So this is my app, and here I've removed all the thing. I have written React Fragment and it's like running. I have no files here, only app.js, the component. Let me make it much smaller. Yeah. So and there is nothing likely a normal React app. So and it's the app component. So and suppose here I want to use a component. So how will I use? So I'll go to files, and in the src I'll make new file. I'll say, what do I say? Names. No, let me make a data.js. Let's make it as a component. Then here I'll make functional component, like this functional data. So here if I remove the div, and suppose I am sending back h1 names are in data. Okay, so I'll just save it. Nothing, I have done nothing much, like normally names are in data, and here I'll import those data from, and I'll save it. Say okay, it's obviously got imported. Now here I'll just use that, and I'll say data. So see, it's showing names are in data, like I have just written names are in data, or I can make it data component. Okay, yeah, and this is the app component. Let me just write it so you can better understand. App component. Okay, so you can see, let me go to the inspect tab, because there's only everything's there, elements. Yeah, let me just remove this. Let me make it bigger. And sorry, how do we like put it here? I just forgot. Yeah, not this side, I want to this side. Yeah, so you can see we are in the body. We have like div root. After that, in class app we have h1 app component, data component, and h1 app component. Like it's normal, you can see we have this class name app, and we have div class app, and then we have data, like h1 only, nothing much, and then we have another h1. Okay, but now if you want to send one more data, say h1, and you'll say second data, and you'll save it. So it will throw error, obviously, because they should be wrapped in a single component. Okay, so if we like add a div for single component, yeah, let me just X. So now they are wrapped up in a component. Okay, so this second. So and now let's see here, come here. Now if we go to app, and we have another div, but like we don't want the div, we only want this and this data, like only data component and second data. We don't want the div, like when we are like sending back, so it's also sending the div also, but we don't want the div, because maybe we are applying some styles or using bootstrap or something like that. So we won't need this div extra right, what tag. So because these extra tag like take more memory, because obviously you are taking extra tag, and it can take time to load data also. It will extra time, because obviously if there will be a single tag, so it will take a time. Maybe this might like this may be a millisecond, but it will take. So like we have to remove the div. So for that we have just imported React from React, and what we'll do, we'll just simply say, we just remove div, and we'll say React dot fragment. Okay, and same here, react dot fragment. Okay, I'll save it. Now see, we have app, then we have h1 data set. Now we that div got removed, like the div we are having, that got removed. Let me just show you side by side. If I, but it's I'd show you another way also. So if you like remove the div, like react fragments, you will see div will come back, and I save it. See, div came back. Okay, we have, after a class app we have div, but as soon as we write react fragment, yeah, so see, you can see after class app we have one div, but as soon as we save it, see, now after class app we don't have any div. So but it will be like much lengthy to write this react fragment, so you can just delete all this, just a normal closing and opening tag, sorry, like a normal closing and opening tag. I don't know what's called, so I just, let me call it tag only. So maybe it was introduced in like React 16, or I don't know, maybe it was from the beginning also, I don't know. So you just like a opening and closing tag and just save it. See, now it's also working. So like, let me just tell you, like always use like these tags only, because you won't get extra node in the your HTML document. So this is what is called React component, sorry, React fragment. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe it.